Here's the Philco 51532, made in 1951, 72 years ago. It's been sitting on a shelf in my basement for just a couple of years, waiting for some attention. I finally took the time to take it apart and clean it real well and recap the chassis. It plays really pretty well.
Bless you all. You got to come home after chemo and look at your kids, and they see you in this just feeble.
Back in November 12th, London skated into Windsor and won 6-1.
Licensed and ordained Pentecostal minister.
How affordable sketches are, you really could buy two pairs for about the same price as filling up a lot of vehicles. Get it? Plus, unlike gas, not only are they affordable, they also last a really long time. Sketches are extremely durable, and many of them are machine washable. You can keep them looking newer, longer. And they're so comfortable, that's the most important thing. Once people put on a pair of Skechers, they never want to wear anything else. With comfort features like Skechers' famous air-cooled memory foam, relax fit, wide fit, arch fit.
It's a beautiful example of
It's almost like their luxury vehicles.
All-American 5 desktop radio from 1951.